How to sign up for Bitstamp, with which you can trade both fiat currency and cryptocurrency. To sign up for Bitstamp, you must first download it on your phones, and then you'll need to open up the app. Then tap on register now. Next, select your country of residence. You'll need to fill out a few details here. Type in your first name, last name, email address, and your date of birth. Now the next thing you need to do is you need to confirm the mail that has been sent to your email address. Open up your email and then tap on complete your registration. Now the last thing you're going to need to do is enter in your password, but make sure that your password is strong by including 8 characters, uppercase letters, lowercase letters, and at least one number. You'll also need to confirm your password by retyping it on the second box. Now after you fill in both these boxes, you can tap on continue. And just like that, your account has now been created. Now in order to keep your app secured, you'll need to create a mobile PIN to open up your app. And just like that, you've created your account of Bitstamp. Now before you start trading, you need to verify your ID first, and then you'll be ready to go. If you guys liked and found this video to be useful, then make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe. That's gonna be all for today. Thanks for watching.